Okay, today I'm going to give you a short overview of what we can do with ScanSafe's new reporting product called Wire. So from the home screen I'll just dip into the reports page, which opens up our reports page. First thing you'll notice is we can pick a report from a certain time zone, pick a time period. Listed here we have some custom reports. You can generate your own reports, save them into various folders, and there's a list of over 80 predefined reports. These cover all sorts of areas, categories that might be used on a standard basis. We'll pick one out and just drill down and show you the depth of the reporting we can gather fairly quickly. So we'll pick on the top 10 categories that consume the most bandwidth, and we'll run it as a pie chart. Now this report should take about 10 or 15 seconds to create. We're looking at the last 24 hours of user data. And we're going to view the first 10 categories sorted by bandwidth in a descending order. We can use these standard reports to create our own reports. They just offer a nice baseline to start with. So here we have the reports come back. We have a lovely looking pie chart where we can see a lot of the data was generated in the category of software and hardware vendors. We can click on various areas in the pie chart to break them out, make them more obvious. We can right click on the image, save as a JPEG or a PDF. We can rotate the image, make it slightly more usable for a report. Save the image, save the report as with a custom name. View the report as a bar chart, column chart. What we'll do is we'll go back to the grid view and we'll drill down and see what was generating this traffic. So we'll add, first of all, we'll just click on to the top category there, and we can add that straight into the filter. So that goes in straight up here. And then we'll change the search item. Instead of looking at category, we're going to look at user. We're going to find out who was generating this traffic. Still sorted by bandwidth. And let's come back with you can see it's fairly obvious. One user was generating most of the traffic, Roy Tuvey. So let's find out a little bit more about where he was going and what he was doing. So we can add in to the search the first 5 URLs sorted by hits, and this will tell us where the user was browsing to. And then it becomes immediately obvious in this report that this user, the top user, was downloading a file or a file multiple times, generating a large amount of data. So you can see you can very quickly use this as a tool to find out what's going on the network, where the users are going, the categories being used most. It's very helpful. We can scroll down to the bottom, save this report as a customized report. We could even save it into a bunch of composite reports, and then we can schedule those reports to be run whenever we'd like them, once a week, once a month, and they can automatically be emailed to various users or groups of users. So that's it for now. I hope that helps. And if you need to know any more, please go to www.esselar.com. It's ESSELAR.com. And from here you can find out further information or book a private demo or just contact us to set up a trial. Thanks for listening.